Hey, it's dude. Angel is about to bowl. There he goes, there he goes. He's waiting for it, he's waiting for it. Yeah. Hey! That's the rest of the crew right there. Here bowling at XLanes and Fashion Fair. You could come crew with us too. Oh, dang it. Here we are, crew. And there's Isaac. Isaac, there it is. Bowling. Bar. Oh, it looks like they got some shuffleboard over there. And baseball season started. I think there's gonna be like, I don't know how many of the crew's gonna be here today. There we are. I'm not too sure what drink I want. Yeah, probably Blue Moon. This is pretty cool though. This is way fancier than the other one. It's like containers. Yeah, look, there's a shuffleboard dilly right there. I think that's what that's called. I'm not sure. There's a puppy. Say hi. That's you. Look at you. Crew, just a friendly reminder. Monetization is on our adventures. If you can, watch the ads. You don't have to though. You could skip. That's okay. But watching the ads helps this puppy. Helps these adventures continue. We really appreciate it if you did. But again, you don't have to. As long as you're subscribed, if you want, and you watch the adventures, that's what counts. Right, puppy? But we appreciate you. You're still awesome no matter what. Let's get back to the adventure. All right, JK, we left because there was a lot of people, and we're here at XLanes in Fashion Fair. Fashion show at... Nah, I said that wrong. But look at the neon. That is dope. I didn't really show the lanes are over there. And this is where they have the arcade games. There's some of the crew over there. We've been in here before, crew, but it was very quickly. We are on the wait list for bowling. We'll see. Isaac's trying to figure out what to get. I got a Blue Moon. All right, so we got a pool table. Eric's setting it up. Eric versus Angel. Angel says he's a pro. Hey, where's the dilly? Hold on. Eric broke. Here goes Angel. Trick shot. Look at that trick shot. Yeah. Pool is a game of math. I don't know. I just randomly said that. I don't know if that's true or not. All right. Eric made solid. Orange one. Let's see this next trick shot. He goes up for the... Oh. Angel lost. He made the 8-ball. Where'd it go? In that one? Oh, right there. Angel, what happened? Since we're waiting for the game, we'll play some of this. Ice Walker. Oh, there's a ball that came over here. A ball that came over here. Someone lost their ball. There's some pretty cool games in this arcade. The game is heating up. The 8-ball is still on the table. Good job, Angel. Good job, Eric. It's still a warm-up shot. We're in game 2. Aquí va Eric. There it is. So Eric doesn't know, but Angel would have lost right now because he scratched. Really? Yeah, because Angel's the only one with the... trying to get the 8-ball in. Eric would have won, but hey, game keeps going. Game keeps going. This is their menu, crew. Oh, I didn't see that. Birria fries. Birria? I just ordered asada fries.
Oh, birrias with the red.
Huh?
Birrias with the red. Okay.
Yeah. Well, he hasn't really taken the order yet. I can get birria if you want. Pastas. The girls got, what was it, some like sampler? Sampler plate. Looks good. I just realized there's another side. 29 bucks for a pizza. Wow. Okay. We're gonna jack one of their garlic fries. Garlic fry. That's a good fry. Onion ring? Isaac said the onion ring's good. They're over here racing. Angel, Jenny. All right, Mario Kart. Okay. Who's in first? So is Angel. Angel's also Mario. Angel's Silver Mario. Final lap. Jenny's slapping people. Over here's the lanes. Isaac's gonna get down on Dance Dance Revolution. But there's the lanes right here. Pretty cool lanes. And it looks like over here, there's karaoke rooms. Whoa, look at the lighting in there. They got 3, whoa, laser! Yeah, they got 3 rooms of karaokeing. That's us, crew. I like the neon a lot. The neon is really cool. Look at this classic game. All right, so here we are, lane 12. Isaac's saying they're huge. Angel, do it again, do it again. There he goes, yeah, yeah. There's Isaac. He just had 2 left, didn't pick up the spare, dang it. There goes Ashley. There's Ashley's strike. We'll say it's a strike, we'll say it's a strike. I didn't get it, but Ashley had 2 left. Here goes Jenny. Angel has 4, wait, Eric has 1? All right, all right. Nice. There you go, there you go. Oh, dang. Thought you were gonna get it. All right, here goes Beatrice. Aquí va. Curve, curve, curve. That's right, you'll get on the next one. Here it is. You're still warming up. You're still warming up. It's all right. Eric just has 1 right now. That's all right. You got this, Eric. There it is. Yeah. All right. Yeah. I like your technique, dude. Just throw it, and we'll see how it goes. Aquí va Ángel. You got this, Ángel. You got it. There it is, right there. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Here he goes for the spare. That's right, you want everyone else to win. That's okay, it's okay. I see his strategy. Here goes Isaac. In the lead. He shoots. It's right, you're just clearing the gutter. It's okay. You're just making sure it's clear. There it is, right there, right in the middle. Oh, dang it. Just 1. There he goes Ashley again. Ashley's just playing trick games. She's messing with people. Right there! Right there! Oh! I know, right? Like, dang it. Maybe we should just stay quiet. Angel got robbed. Dang it. You got this, Ángel? Well, a little too much. A little too much. Look who shows up. Jose! Finally. 12 hours later. Alright, they moved us to lane 6. Because the balls were getting stuck over there continuously. So now we're at 6. Isaac's second try. 1 left, 1 left, 1 left. Oh, he's about to go to the net. Oh. He's not sure which one he wants to go on. There it is. Well, almost. Almost. Isaac's still in first. Here goes Angel. And no. 45 is the top scorer right now. All right, here goes the pro. He's doing the spin move. Spin move. Here goes Jose with the strike. You got this. Here's the pro. All right. Dang. Oh! On the first one. Wow, there it is. You did it. Isaac got the strike. I didn't show it. All right. Well, here we go. It's competition now. He sets up. Nah. She got the spare. You get another one. You picked up the spare. You get to go again. Her third try. Here you go. Get a strike. The balls keep getting stuck. I don't know why. Jenny didn't get nothing. That was your chance right there to win Isaac. Here goes Beatrice. She's at 49. If she gets 3 strikes, she could win. Okay, never mind. Almost. Hector's gonna go for Angel. There it is. Oh, man. Thought you had that one. Well, now it's not your turn now. I think it's at 0. You got this. You got this. You got this. He's thinking about it. There it is. Well, he stepped on the line. There you go. All right. Jose's in the lead, 28. Oh, no. What happened, Jose? Isaac's on there twice, but so is Jenny. So is Beatrice, so is Angel. Everyone's on there. We're getting some free hockey over here. Free hockey. Oh, 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 dang it. The game even had a national anthem playing. There, oh, and right. Oh, almost scored on ourselves. Ah, oh, dang it, almost. No, 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 no. All right, crew, that's going to do it for this bowling adventure. The puppy's still right here with me. He is heavy. I can't do this. Oh. I put you down because you're too heavy, dude. Toby's mad because I put him down. Now he's mad because I'm not picking him up, but you're heavy, dude. My arm is like, don't get mad. Don't get mad. Don't get mad. We gotta tell the crew bye. Alright, fine. Jeez. Well, you're not even looking at the camera. Crew, thank you so much for hanging out with us. You hanging out with us is something you never ever have to do, on purpose or by accident. I really appreciate you joining us on this bowling adventure, on any adventure, foodie adventure, hang out at the house adventure. Puppy, look at the camera. He doesn't want to look at the camera now. I'm gonna put him down and then he's gonna get mad. I told you he's gonna get mad. Well, you weren't even looking at the camera. I really appreciate you. There's all kinds of other things you could be doing, and you choosing to hang out with us means a lot to us. I really appreciate the crew that went out bowling, because same thing, those other things that they probably could have been doing, and them hanging out. It was really awesome. Thanks for crewing, thanks for adventuring. Thanks for crewing, thanks for adventuring. Thanks for crewing, thanks for adventuring. Thanks for crewing. Thanks for adventuring. No, that's not what you say. Yes. Thanks for crewing. Thanks for adventuring.
Potato chip. Bowling to the next.
Bowling to the next. Yeah. There you go. Oh, it's recording. Oops. Okay. As long as oh my gosh.